abundance, you need to make the sound effect. For example, if someone goes to open up a creaky door, it might sound like this. Like this. Okay, great. And then when you're through, you're going to want to slam it. Good. I love your style. Just watch the timing. Try to make the sound effects match what's going on. Not 5 minutes later. You'll do fine. And you can do sound effects whenever you want. They'll justify whatever you do. Can we get maybe an activity then that a couple people might do that dogs don't do, like a human activity? What? Swimming. So your activity was swimming as a suggestion.
Although the water's really deep on this end.
Yeah, that's why I won't go in that. I won't go in that. I refuse to go in that. Look at this. You drop a pebble in there. Look how far down that is. You can't even see it. Jesus.
Wait, did your stone just cut you to the top?
Came back up.
That's crazy.
That's how deep it is. That you throw a pebble in, and then it comes back up.
What the fuck? That's crazy.
Yeah, watch this. I have a typewriter here. Check this out. Old-timey typewriter.
That's pretty modern to me. I gotta be honest.
I said old-timey, but I meant like 80s so far.
Oh, 80s.
Like the, yeah, you know the guy, the plastic. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Watch this. Throw this in. Just fix it. That's how deep the water is here. The typewriter won't even go in it. Wow! Up and down the top.
That is crazy. Well, we should at least try to... what would happen if we tried to swim across it?
I don't know. You do it.
I'm just so afraid. I just peed. This is embarrassing.
Yeah, you can see it. Hold on, don't worry. I've got my shop vac, little dustbuster here. I'll just clean that up for you.
You gotta set the flow.
I got it in mind, right?
It's a little weird that you brought a shop vac to our pool day.
Hey man, I always come prepared. That knapsack over there is like Mary Poppins' bag. Yeah, you name it, I've got it in there.
A towel.
Sure, yeah, no problem. Just wanted to dust it off for you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, right here, let me get a shop vac. Oh, sorry. I'll just crack it open. You can reach in and grab it.
Oh my God! There's a guy down there! There's a guy down there!
What's up, Banana? Hey, what? Stop complaining. He's hungry. I'm hungry again. Look, I'm closing it. I'm gonna close it. Get you another towel, my friend.
Thank you so much.
Roll it in the bag. Another towel.
Very nice.
No problem.
I'm gonna tie this right here.
Hey, I've never noticed this big cord before just hanging from this pillar.
You should pull it and see what happens.
All right.
Oh, it just fell off. Just hit the ground. Oh, that's crazy.
Just coiled perfectly at the bottom of the pillar.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's obviously not needed here.
Well, what about this button? The pool's gone!
It's such a good thing you're going home tomorrow, buddy. But Warhammer will live on in our hearts, for sure. So for our next scene here, we are actually going to have two improvisers improvising, and Diana's very afraid right now, apparently. Sean and Diana are going to be doing a scene, and our musical director, Vlad Berghammer, will, everybody